Hey guys, in this video we're going to be taking a look at the best drone in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in 5th place, we have the Tello Quadcopter Drone, our pick for the best drone under $100. The Tello Quadcopter Drone features a 5-megapixel camera with an 82.6 degree field of vision. It can record 720p videos at 30 frames per second. The electronic image stabilization that is built into this device means that your video footage is clear with less blur. There's also the Intel processor, which is a big reason for the high quality playback. There are numerous modes that you will have to choose from, including 360 degrees, up and away, and circle. You can live stream the video footage to your mobile device to share with your friends and family. One of the things we like most about this drone is that it offers altitude hold, which is a feature that is conspicuously absent from many other models on the market. This feature will allow you to concentrate on other things, so you don't have to focus on maintaining consistent altitude. If you are just starting off in the world of drones, you will find this to be very helpful. This makes it incredibly easy to use. When the battery in the drone is getting low, you will always be given an alert. Some of the features of this drone include its 8D flips. You can flip this drone in 8 different directions with just the swipe of your controller. Bounce mode. The bounce mode this drone features will allow you to bounce it up and down on any surface from 1.6 to 3.9 feet. Vision positioning system. This drone's innovative vision positioning system makes it easy to hover above your target with minimal shake. Some of the pros of this drone includes its ease of use. Every aspect of this drone is simple and easy to use, even for beginners. One-touch takeoff and landing. You can take off and land with just one tap of a button. Tello SDK software. The software development kit that comes with this drone lets you create all new features. One con of this drone is that the drone's range is fairly limited when you're controlling it via your smartphone. Coming in at around $85, the Tello Quadcopter is the best drone under $100. It's the perfect choice for those who want to get one of these devices, but cannot afford to spend a lot of money. Coming in 4th place, we have the Holystone HS100. The Holystone HS100 measures 19.7 by 19.7 by 6.9 inches, with a total weight of 1.73 pounds, so it's fairly large. The camera is positioned just under the drone itself. The battery plugs are located in the rear. There are LEDs under the blade arms that are clearly visible at all times. This drone's wide-angle camera offers a 720p resolution with fairly good stabilization technology to keep footage clear and detailed. Unlike a lot of other drones on the market, you won't get a lot of wobbling around with this one. The quality of the video is sharp and looks very good overall. All photos and videos are saved to a micro SD card. The camera's 90-degree tilt can be adjusted electronically, making it easier for you to get the best possible photo or video footage for your subjects. It has a battery capacity of 2500 mAh, which means approximately 10 to 12 minutes of actual flight time. The transmitter that comes with this drone is pretty big and has 3 buttons beneath the joysticks. You can use the joysticks to bring the device back home, activate altitude hold, and power on the transmitter. Some of the features of this drone include its adjustable speed. You can use the scroll wheel on the transmitter to get the speed of the drone just right at any given time. Emergency stop. There is a button on the transmitter for emergency stop, which will instantly bring the drone back safely. Simple design. Controlling this drone couldn't be any simpler. There are no complicated instructions that you need to follow to operate it. HD Wi-Fi camera. This drone's 1080p Wi-Fi camera has a 90-degree adjustable angle for live video recording. Solid construction. There is nothing at all that feels flimsy or cheap about this drone. It has a very durable design. One con of this drone is that it takes 5 or 6 hours to completely charge up the drone, which we feel is a bit much. Coming in at around $230, the Holystone HS100 is a solid drone with lots of great features and a durable construction. It's incredibly easy to use and lets you record clear and detailed 1080p video. There is minimal shake, which makes it easier to take clear photos and videos. Coming in 3rd place, we have the Parrot Bebop 2. The Parrot Bebop 2 has a plastic construction that is surprisingly durable and sturdy. Each of this drone's rotors have 3 blades that you can easily take off when you aren't using it. The battery slots are located in the back, and you must detach it before charging. The rubber balls that connect the 2 main parts of this device have a very sophisticated shock-absorbing design. This means that you won't have to deal with blurry or distorted photos or video playback. You will receive a spare set of rotors, which can easily be replaced if the current ones start getting banged up. This drone's motors are very powerful and allow it to hold a position without any issues. Taking off and landing the drone is very simple and easy to do. You can control the drone via a FreeFlight Pro app on your Android or iOS smartphone. It connects to any Wi-Fi capable mobile device with full touch controls. You can use the mobile app to toggle between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless signal. This guarantees that you will always have complete control of the device. It works within a range of 300 meters, which is not bad at all. Some of the features of this drone include its 1080p video recording. You can use this drone to record full HD video, which is very detailed and sharp. Digital stabilization. This drone's 3-axis digital stabilization system makes it easy to take photos without any annoying blur or distortion. Parrot cockpit glasses. The FPV goggles that work with this drone give you a more immersive flight experience. Some of the pros of this drone include its excellent battery life. You can use this drone for a fairly long time before having to recharge the batteries. Stable flight performance. The stabilization design of this drone makes it easy to fly and take clear pictures as well as video. Intuitive app design. The overall design of the mobile app that you can use to control this drone is very intuitive and easy to use. One con of this drone is that there are a number of cool autonomous functions, but you have to pay extra for them. Coming in at around $300, the Parrot Bebop 2 is a good-sized drone that records high-quality video and takes clear photos within a fairly large range. Despite its size, it's fairly lightweight and compact. Coming in second place, we have the DJI Mavic Air. The DJI Mavic Air measures 6.5 by 1.6 by 3.2 inches, with a total weight of 15.2 ounces, making it fairly compact and easy to slide into your backpack. It's available in 3 colors: white, black, and red. This drone has a nice modern-style design that makes it very sleek and attractive. There's a microSD slot and 8 GB of onboard storage, which can be useful if you forget to put your card in, or if it's full. The controller's joysticks are located under the smartphone clips, giving this drone a flat and clean overall look. The DJI Go 4 app for iOS and Android will allow you to control all aspects of the drone, and it works quite well. You can connect the device to your smartphone or tablet via Wi-Fi. You'll quickly discover that flying it is a very smooth and pleasant experience. The new Advanced Pilot Assistance system that the Mavic Air uses helps it to avoid obstacles and change its route. It has a transmission range of 4 kilometers, or 2.5 miles from the controller, which is impressive to say the least. It's equipped with a 12-megapixel camera that can record 4K video. Some of the features of this drone include its dedicated remote controller. This drone's remote controller has a nice, foldable, ergonomic design that makes it easy to use and store. 4K video recording. You can use this drone to record 4K video at 30 frames per second for smooth and detailed playback. 3-axis gimbal camera. The 3-axis gimbal camera on this drone can take 12-megapixel pictures, while remaining very steady. Some of the pros of this drone include its obstacle avoidance. The obstacle avoidance system that this drone uses helps you to avoid damaging it. Lots of internal storage. The 8 GB of onboard storage will help provide you with lots of space for photos and videos. Portability. Because this drone is so small and lightweight, it's easy to take with you wherever you go. One con of this drone is that the gimbal controls can be a bit jerky and difficult to utilize properly at times. Coming in at around $700, the DJI Mavic Air quadcopter has an impressively powerful and intelligent overall design. It can record great-looking 4K video and has a remarkable range of over 2 miles. Coming in first place, we have the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, our pick for the best overall drone. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro features an integrated Hasselblad camera that uses a 1-inch CMOS sensor and adjustable aperture. The other camera, a Mavic 2 Zoom, uses a 3-inch sensor that can zoom from 24mm to 48mm. This drone has exceptionally durable design that will hold up well over the years. While it may be a bit heavy, it does offer a few additional sensors on the hull. One of the most impressive things about the Mavic 2 Pro is that it can hover for nearly a half hour and flies at 7 miles per hour. You'll find that this drone flies exactly where you want it to, so there's no element of unpredictability, like with so many other models. The omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system gives you an audio alert if the drone is about to hit something. If you do not react to the alert, the drone will automatically brake to avoid crashing. The aperture controls let you adjust how much light enters the camera, as well as the depth of field. If you're a beginner, you will probably just want to use automatic mode. Some of the features of this drone include its omnidirectional obstacle sensing. If the drone gets close to crashing into an object, you will get an audio alert. Dedicated remote. There is a remote control that comes with this drone if you don't want to use your smartphone or other mobile device. Trajectory prediction. This drone's trajectory prediction makes tracking easier when your subject is blocked by an obstacle temporarily. Some of the pros of this drone include its long flight time. You can keep this drone in the air for almost 30 minutes which is quite impressive. Responsive controls. All of the controls on this remote that come with the drone are very responsive. Lots of camera options. There are many different camera options to help you get the best photos and video footage. One con of this drone is that the non-modular design of the cameras limit their abilities a little bit. Coming in at a little under $1,500, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro is the best overall drone. It offers a very long flight time, as well as an impressively accurate omnidirectional avoidance system. The solid overall construction means that this drone is very sturdy. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video, and this video helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.